Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore why the VPN isn't working on my laptop. Let's dive in. First, ensure the credentials you're entering into your VPN client or network settings are accurate. Carefully review your username and password to confirm there are no errors or typos. If your VPN was functioning correctly in the past and has suddenly stopped, this could point to a configuration issue, which we will address in the steps outlined below. To begin troubleshooting, open the control panel. To access it, locate the search bar on your taskbar and type Control Panel. Select it from the search results to open. Once inside, adjust the view to Large Icons by selecting this option from the drop-down menu located in the upper right corner of the window. With this view active, click on the Network and Sharing Center. Within the Network and Sharing Center, locate the link representing your currently active internet connection and click on it. This action will open a new window displaying your connection's details. In this new window, select the Properties button. Scroll through the list of options to find Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Uncheck the box next to this item to disable it, and then click OK to apply and save these changes. After completing this step, close all open windows and proceed to restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, test your VPN connection to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, we'll move on to resetting your network settings. To reset your network settings, first open the Settings app. This can be done by typing Settings into the search bar and selecting it from the results. Once in the Settings window, navigate to the Network and Internet section using the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down the page on the right-hand side until you locate Advanced Network Settings. Click on this option to continue. Within the Advanced Network Settings menu, look for the Network Reset option under the More Settings section and click on it. Selecting this option will restore all network adapters on your device to their original factory settings. Be aware that this process will remove all saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN configurations, so it is essential to have your Wi-Fi credentials readily available before proceeding. Once you're prepared, confirm your choice to initiate the reset. Follow the prompts to restart your computer when requested. After your computer restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network and re-enter your VPN credentials to test the connection again. If your VPN continues to encounter issues, it may be necessary to reinstall your VPN software. Occasionally, updates, corrupted files, or conflicts can lead to malfunctioning software. To address this, uninstall your current VPN client and download the latest version directly from your VPN provider's official website. Reinstall the client and follow any setup instructions to reconfigure your VPN. If you're in search of a dependable VPN service, you may want to explore trusted options such as NordVPN, ProtonVPN, or PureVPN. These services are known for their reliability, security, and ease of use, making them excellent choices for secure internet browsing. For your convenience, links to these VPN providers are included in the description below. Among these options, NordVPN is highly recommended for its fast connection speeds, robust security features, and user-friendly interface. If you decide to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description to take advantage of a special offer on a subscription plan. This will help you ensure a secure and seamless browsing experience. I've also included links to alternative VPN providers that are all super affordable. Check them out in the description below.